Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're reviewing the Sunber Bye Bye Knots 7x5 lace front glueless fluffy natural loose wave curtain bangs wig. If you're in the market for a hassle-free, realistic-looking human hair wig, you might want to stick around for this one. Now, let's dive into the details. The Sunber wig is made from premium raw virgin human hair, which means it's unprocessed and retains its natural quality. The hair is full cuticle aligned, ensuring no tangling or shedding, which is a huge plus for longevity. The wig comes in a natural black color that holds curls well, so you can restyle it to suit your preferences. What really stands out is the wig's built-in 7x5 lace front. This isn't just any lace. The 3D dome breathable cap design allows your scalp to breathe freely, making it comfortable for all-day wear. Plus, it's glueless, no glue or gel required. The pre-cut lace and pre-bleached knots help create a seamless, natural-looking hairline. It's ready to wear, and that's a serious time saver. During my testing, I found that the wig was incredibly easy to put on. The cap features adjustable straps, combs, and an elastic band to ensure a snug, secure fit. The wig cap is medium-sized, fitting heads around 22 to 22.5 inches, which is ideal for most people. And for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for an adhesive-free experience, this wig is a dream come true. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this wig. On the plus side, the texture of the hair is fantastic, soft, bouncy, and full of natural movement. The loose wave pattern adds volume, and the curtain bangs give it a trendy, fresh look. I also love the fact that this wig is so beginner-friendly. Just pop it on, adjust the straps, and you're good to go. On the downside, while the wig is very natural-looking, I did notice that it could benefit from a bit of customization in terms of cutting the bangs to match my face shape. It's a minor issue, but something to keep in mind. Also, the cap's medium size may not fit all head shapes perfectly, so it's something to consider before purchasing. As for value for money, considering this is 100% human hair, the price is quite reasonable. Human hair wigs typically come at a premium, but the Sunber wig justifies the cost with its natural texture, versatility, and convenience. The fact that it's ready to wear out of the box without the hassle of adhesives is an added bonus. When comparing this wig to others in the market, the Sunber Bye Bye Knots wig stands out for its built-in 7x5 lace front, which creates a much more natural look than other non-lace wigs. The glueless design is also a big advantage for people who want a fuss-free solution. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might find synthetic wigs with similar designs at a lower price point. Just keep in mind that synthetic wigs don't offer the same level of styling flexibility as human hair. In terms of build quality, the wig feels solid. The hair is soft and the cap is well constructed, with the 3D dome breathable cap ensuring comfort during extended wear. As for longevity, I've found that with proper care, the wig holds up well over time. It can be washed and styled without losing its shape, which is a key selling point for human hair wigs. Customer service-wise, I didn't have any direct interaction with Sunber, but based on their reputation in the industry, they're known for providing solid support for their customers. If you're on the lookout for a more affordable alternative, there are some other glueless wigs on the market, but you might need to sacrifice quality or styling options for the price. If you're willing to spend a little more, this wig could be a great long-term investment for your beauty routine. To wrap things up, the Sunber Bye Bye Knots wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for a natural, glueless wig with a stylish, easy-to-wear design. Its pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially if you want a beginner-friendly wig that looks and feels like your own hair. It's ideal for anyone who needs a convenient, high-quality wig with minimal effort involved. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.